How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove your profile photo or profile picture on your TikTok account. But before that, all I have to do first is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of TikTok by going into Google Play Store or any app store that you use to download TikTok application. From here, make sure that the update button is not visible. Just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. So moving on the current topic, just simply open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in into the account where you would like your profile picture to be removed. So below that, you should be able to see options. Just simply choose on profile, so you will be redirected into your profile. So as you can see, there is no option to change your profile photo. What you want to do is just to tap and hold on the current profile picture that you have. And then in here, you can choose on change photo and it will automatically open up your gallery from the phone that you use and it will not be empty. You'll have to change it to a different photo. And that's it. That's how you remove profile picture on TikTok.